I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Look what I finished. It's 6:30. What is today? Monday. I still feel like hockey do, but look what I got done. That's the... Where's the front? Can I tell the front? Hang on, or the back? Here. Isn't that fun? It's a Christmas tree. But it's a red hat Christmas tree. So this part's green like a tree. And this is red. And I don't know if you can tell, but that's purple. Let me hold it up close. So that's a purple color. So I finished my hat. And I got a nice little white star on the top. I have not decorated the my pirate hat. Not sure I'll get to that. I'm a little late on the draw. What I think is I'm going to wear this along with my purple dress and black pants tomorrow. I won't wear this to work. I might. You never know with me, huh? Anyway, so yeah. All right. Love y'all. Bye. I don't usually unbox my keto chow, but I didn't know what was in it. I didn't see the name of the thing on the front. So I was like, let me just take a look here. So anyway, I thought, you know what? I don't ever unbox my keto chow with y'all. So there's not a variety of them. We have, told you, maple waffle. Let's just have a conversation about my hoarding, okay? Currently, I have a big pecan sticky bun and maple waffle. And a maple waffle and pecan sticky bun. So you all know that is that's what I use in my morning on the Saturday weekends. On the Saturday weekends. You know what I'm trying to say, Corn Flabbit? On Saturdays when I make my McGriddle. My Tegriddle. Tegriddle. That's what I get it, Tegriddle. So anyway, so I already had a pecan sticky bun and maple. So I ordered another maple. I'm going to order another pecan sticky bun. But I have the Keto Chow chocolate peanut butter. Y'all know. If you don't know, you need to know. Maize balls. Anyway, so that's what I get. Chocolate peanut butter. Sorry, the dogs are down there bumping you. So that's the chocolate peanut butter. So I'll put the two newest ones in the back. Then I'll put my pecan maple waffle and my pecan sticky bun. Yes, I do. Now, for my little ones, I have not used my broth yet. I done forgot why. I was supposed to buy the broths. I just remember y'all, we were talking. Oh, I was going to try that with my breakfast waffle thing. Or my breakfast pancake. But anyway, I have a banana, a butterscotch, a snickerdoodle, strawberry, peppermint, and peppermint. Well, I couldn't get very many because when you get the big suckers, them are 70-something. But, yeah, they're 70-something. I don't have the prices on here. Listen, I have a link to Keto Chow. So, I like a peppermint. Anyway, if you want to order Keto Chow, I know it can be pricey, so hey, I do not fault nobody for saying no thank you. I get it. But if you do use the link down in the video description of any of my videos, it's a link and you get 10% off and I get 10% kickback. So, yeah, so I'm going to bed now. Is that all I had to tell you? Yeah, I showed y'all my hat's done. So I'll show you how. Hopefully we'll get a big group picture tomorrow. And I'll show you what it's like. By the way, I was so... I don't know. I don't want to say one way or another. I am so... Today's the next day. I had to go to Dollar Tree today. Oh, shoot, I got to decorate. I ain't doing it. Anyway, hang on just a second. Okay, anyway. So, what was I talking about? I was happy. So, Sunday, which was my yesterday, I did not have any nuts at Mom's house. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't have any cravings for the nuts. I ate my pork steak at her house, or, at the restaurant. And I had 2 bites, which I already told you this yesterday. I had a couple bites of broccoli, and I had, what did I have? A couple bites of coleslaw. And I sent those home with Mom. Today, y'all are bouncing around, Baxter bumped you. Today, I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some stuff to decorate my hat now. Dollar Tree is my arch nemesis because right there at the checkout is the nuts. I just kind of closed this eye and kept this eye open and focused on the lady checking out. I'm like, I can do this. You don't need nuts. They're not meat-based. And last time you had nuts, you had a little, sorry if you're eating, maybe hit fast forward before I say this. I had a little blood in my stool for the past several days. But until, last week I had some, but I haven't had it in a couple days. Why? I haven't had any nuts. Is that relevant? I do not know, but keep your opinion to yourself. It don't matter, because we know I'm going to eat nuts again someday. So anyway, but I did not buy any today. I didn't get any of that. I didn't get anything. I didn't feel any temptations. I didn't feel any, obsessions. So, I don't know. I do know, it's only been 2 days of eating mostly meat, or mostly animal based. So, whatever that's worth. Boy, these kids are circling. They're ready for me to go to BED. It is 6:43. According to a little blonde boy. Hang on, I'll show you. Well, she wants me to go. He's ready for me to go, but this one just circles and circles and circles and paces. He wants me to go. He said, can we do it now? Here. Okay, here. How about this? We won't go to bed right now because I got to talk to my friends a minute. Oh, look. Mom told me, remember I was making fun of her angel? Well, we were talking about her, and actually Mom's neighbor, she was my other mother growing up. She fussed at me as much as my own mama did. She made that. I should ask her son if he would like that. Or anyway. All right. So I'm really happy. Come here, Callie. Come on, sis. So anyway, I did good. Oh, the one thing I didn't track, I did have a couple squirts of this. We've already done this once, but Sammy, sit. Good boy. Baxter, sit. Good boy. Terry, don't sit. Good girl. Okay, last one. All right. Well, that's the babies. They're doing good, guys. They're just aggravated because they want me to go to BED. You want to go to bed? Is that what you want, Baxter? I know. It is. That's what he wants. He's wanted me to go to bed at 6 o'clock his whole little life, little twerp. But I'm just excited I got my hat done. So I set out some stuff for tomorrow. I'm debating on whether I'm going to wear it to work or not. Because I feel like if I do, I got to be in a meeting with my camera on tomorrow. So I don't know. I set out all my Halloween or my Christmas stuff so I can, wear it to Red Hats tomorrow. So not that one or this one. And then I've got my red hat outfit over here. My purple tunic, like what do you call them dresses? Like an A-frame dress. I don't know, whatever you call it, whatever. And then some black leggings. And I'm wearing my black boots. I'll show y'all tomorrow. All right, listen, love you all. Oh, I do have my lunch put together. And I ain't even had coffee this evening. And I'm going to wear one of these cute little pairs of reindeer. I'll probably wear this one. I'll set it over there. I already put my stuff together for tomorrow. I weighed it out, which, I'm not even going to plug it in anymore since I'm having the other. But it's, let's see, I got nope, we ain't looking at my cheese for tomorrow. It's 175 grams of 93% ground beef, some rotisserie, it was 117, and Alfredo. So we're going to have an Alfredo tomorrow. And at the place, we go to a pizza place. So I decided that instead of the one trip salad bar. I think instead I'm going to get the, I'm going to just get the large pizza bake. So I know y'all are probably getting dizzy, but it'll be all right. Close your eyes. All right. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Ho, 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 Nelly. It's cold outside, y'all. Oh, my goodness. I don't even know what the temperature is. I ain't gonna, we don't want to know. Maybe we're better off not knowing. So, all right. So we're going to do the cheese first. Mom said she loved the sauteed onion cheese too. So today's day 9. Let's see what we got. Gouda with mustard seed. Huh. You know, I'm trying to acquire a taste for mustard. All right, let's see what. Oh, don't flip out. I'd eat it even if it did have dog fur. Don't judge me. I taste the Gouda. I don't really taste the mustard seed. Hang on. Maybe we just need a bigger bite. Does mustard seed taste like mustard? Mm-mm. Good though, but mm-mm. All right, so I have 175 grams of 93% ground beef, 117 grams of rotisserie chicken, and 100 grams of Alfredo. Last night, I went to bed way early last night, and then the dogs let me sleep in till 7:30. I was so surprised. Surprised. Have you ever been surprised? Anyway, oh, there was a hint of maybe mustard. I don't know. Grainy. I don't like things to be grainy. Except grits. I like grits. So, tonight, I think we already talked about this, but I don't know what I told you people. You're just going to have to listen to it 25 times. Let's see how this tastes first. And then we'll jibber jabber about what I'm going to do at Red Hats. Okay. So Red Hats, I'm going to try to remember. Sometimes remembering isn't my strong suit. I'm not tracking today, but I just want to tell you my lunch. Oh yeah. 2 things. Red Hats and Chat GPT. We'll see if I can remember both of them. Tonight, you know, we go to that pizza place. So I'm going to try to just get the 10-inch pizza bowl and not a one trip salad. It's going to be hard, but I think I'm really going to try it. So I'll have that. Now, Chat GPT. Last night, I was kind of hanging out with Chat GPT. And I would say he. My coworker calls it a she. But me and Chat GPT were talking. And we're working on a meal plan. I want to try something. I want to try a moderate fat. Not high fat, not low fat, but moderate fat. So ChatGPT and I have been, we're working on how to portion things out and getting the cooked amount. So like I used, cooked ground beef, and I said, I portion it out without the fat in it. And so that I will store the fat in another container. So what it did was it broke it down to, I could store it. I could do the strained ground beef in a certain amount of grams and then scoop out either the rendered beef fat or tallow, whatever, and add that amount to it to make it be what it needs to be. So, I don't know when I'm going to put that into action. Well, I'm going to cook some 80-20 this weekend. So that's this weekend. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crock pot it like I always do and strain it when I portion it out. And then I'm going to pour, when I cook 80-20, I don't have to add water to the container. So what I'll do is I'll portion it out, and then however many containers I have, I don't know. Anyway, whatever I do, you'll see it. You're going to see it. It'll be next week. So, I'm not going to do high fat right now. Cause I just I have what I have. And so I just want to let you know that, because I would like to see what a moderate fat carnivore, which I understand is going to be less portions. That's going to be a little difficult. It's going to be a little difficult. But another reason why I don't want to start that today is because, you know, it's a shift going from one portion to another, a bigger portion to a smaller portion. So I feel like I need to finish out this week of my eyes getting used to this piddly amount here. And not two, not having two containers. So let my brain adjust to that and then go from there. So, all right, well, I'll see you at Red Hats. Bye. Okay, here's my outfit. I have my black leggings and boots, and I have on my little, I don't remember, A-frame dress, I don't know, whatever, this dress. But look, I got on some bells, and this, I know y'all seen this before. Hang on, I just gotta find the little button. Where you at, feller? You can go like, where you at? It's hiding from me. You can do flash, fast flash, we can do slow blink, or we can do solid. So I'm gonna leave it off for now. And then I got my hat on. The only drawback to these hats, and as the person who came up with the pattern, is it goes this way. So, because I can't really put it like, and I made it too big, but I'm okay with that. But anyway, so it's kind of goes that way, but that's all right. I don't care. It's still fun. And let me make sure my hair is looking right, as bright as it can be with this hot mess. Let's see, I may have to wash my hair in the morning if it looks too terrible in the morning. I want to have little hair. I want to have some kind of hair coming down. And then a little something. Gotta have a little something. There we go. That's good enough. All right. So anyway, I'm making some hot tea. It's the one you sent me, that lemon something. And I'm going to sip on it because, I still got to, for one, it's freezing cold. But also, it's been so soothing to my throat today. But anyway, here I am. So, here, maybe we'll have a group picture, but I'll do this. So, there we go. Hopefully, editing Terri can use that. Anyway, all right. My head's itching. I gotta go. Bye. Okay, this is a 10-inch, like I told you, I get a 10-inch pizza as a pizza bake. So there's no crust, just 10-inch. So there's sauce, and I get the meat, the all-meat one. So that's my fave. I'm waiting on my spoon. Flip the bottom up because underneath is so hot, but that's the sauce. So it's not even a lot of sauce. But then, so there's pepperonis and sausage, and anyway, so that's what the underneath side looks like. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm home. We had a great time. I'm working on, it's fun. People give each other stuff. There was, we got to draw. Eileen brought a big bag, and we got to pull out of the bag. There you are. That was so fun. She's like, I didn't wrap them. I'm like, I don't care about it. It was more fun to reach in the bag, and you're like, what am I grabbing? You have no clue what you're grabbing. But it says, friends are the family you choose. And that. Hang on. Hold on. We got some cute little foxy magnets. It's hard to see. They're down in there. And some candy and a notepad and pen. You're still over there. Card. And I got a sock monkey. And yeah. So that's what I got. Whoa. And 2 poinsettias. Because one lady has cats, so she couldn't take hers home. This one's a little polar bear and a walrus. I'm going to take these to work tomorrow. So, anyway. So, yeah. So, we had a great time. I had the pizza bake. I ate it all. So, all right. I love you people. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.